Get rid of the hiccups. My uncle says you have to put a pen in your mouth like this and then drink water. And when it goes down your throat, it makes them go away.
I'm going to demonstrate, and it is going to spill all over me.
And we're going to laugh.
How do I get the water in my mouth?
Did it work?
We were supposed to
Maybe like the fright of like choking to death.
Is that waterboarding?
Did it work?
I think so.
Hold on. Maybe. It's a miracle. You're a miracle.
It
No,
worked.
my uncle. That's all him.
Your uncle. Uh-oh, hold on.
Is it coming?
Let me just
You've gone 20 seconds now without hiccups. It's going to be 30. That's 30 seconds
you know,
for that one.
did I tell you I had the hiccups once?